So over the years, I've done many different types of cruciate repairs. And of course, in the beginning, you're always learning. And one of the things that helped me was to research the techniques, study the anatomy, and make sure I understood the anatomy, because that's where a lot of people have problems. They just don't understand the anatomy and they're not doing the technique correctly. And then it's all about practice, practice on cadavers. And then every time you do a clinical case, what you want to do is you want to evaluate it very carefully and be very critical. You want to look for at least one or two things that you could do better every time. So I've done that each time I've gone to a different technique. Now, when I got to TPLO, it was the same basic thing. But what I observed with using that method was that these dogs just seemed to recover more quickly, and they reached a higher level of performance and outcome. And as time went on, my complication rate started going lower and lower and lower compared to all the previous techniques. So again, I think what helps is to plan the case very carefully, practice, make sure you execute your plan, and then follow up. You always need to follow up and see how these patients are doing. Otherwise, you have no idea if you're doing a better job.